Hi, I'm David. This is Joe. That's Sarah. This is our practice for a presentation tomorrow up in Dublin at the YA semi-finals.
The concept of EcoPloring is to inform people on how to approach wildlife in a safe and fun way without encroaching on them or their natural habitat. We're EcoPloring. I'm Dara, that's Joe, and that's David. We're transition year students in CBS and are also the founders of EcoPloring.com. Well, how we came up with the idea was simple. We all have an interest in wildlife through primary school. It wasn't in the curriculum as much. We go for a walk every now and again in Cass Park, which is in the middle of town. We're looking to try to get ecology back into the curriculum and to get ecology taught as it's not really covered. It will help a lot and get people interested in wildlife, as people would not be interested if they are not taught about it. Our site is divided into these sections as listed above. We have a few screenshots in the upcoming slides and the pages, and it gives you a brief example of what we have on our website and the layout of it. This is the primary and the secondary school page. It contains most information that is necessary for the primary and the necessary information for the secondary. It contains various information on various animals. It has 2 fun facts about it. And here we have the identification key. If you're out for a walk and see a bird, go to our website and there's an identification key which tells the colour of the bird and how to recognise it. We now move on to the food chains. This is more for secondary students, as it gives you a lot of information and examples of food chains and information on it. As you can see in the photo, there's a picture of all the food chains. As you can see here, we show the gallery where we store the photos we've taken. David takes them, and this shows that it's not easy. It's easy to capture nature without disturbing them. This is the wildlife of the month. It's a newsletter we do every month where we would show 2 animals, which are very rare in Kilkenny, but you can't find them around. As above, you can see the 2 animals we picked for this month: the hoverfly and the hermit thrush. And finally, the places of interest, where you can go exploring and find various animals. It tells us all about the nature walks and it's great for finding animals.
This is our environmental actions slides. We felt that with the present curriculum in primary schools doesn't even touch the surface of what can be learned. So what I'm about to show you is our environmental actions. We acquired a plot of land for Keep Kilkenny Beautiful, a local organisation who want to prepare Kilkenny for the Tidy Towns competition. We will bring primary schools to the land and show them how to plant trees and plants and how to be environmentally friendly. This land is based near the Weir, which is down by the river on the north side of Kilkenny. This is a fun place for young people to swim in the summer, which is perfect location. We'll go down to garden centres and ask them to sponsor plants or equipment for us to develop the land. We are also having an upcoming interview with Casey Lower, a popular Kilkenny radio show, where we will discuss our further plans for Kilkenny. The Million Tree Project. We are working in conjunction with Keep Kilkenny Beautiful in a project known as the Million Tree Project. This event will be taking place on the 27th of April. We aim to plant as many trees as possible on the day and help Ireland in their goal of planting 1 million trees. The local paper will be there, which is the Kilkenny newspaper, the Kilkenny People. Our team will be video logging the whole event, and it will be on our YouTube channel. Conservation. We are liaising with the ecology branch of Keep Kilkenny Beautiful on a monthly basis, which we go into meetings and their meets every month. We are going to work hand in hand to facilitate the conservation of wildlife within Kilkenny. The aim of these monthly meetings for us will be to assist Keep Kilkenny Beautiful in their conservation activities.
I'm David and I'm going to talk to you about how we raise awareness. We raise awareness for EcoPloring in a number of ways. Firstly, by when we were at the Beach Young Scientists. We got accepted into the Beach Young Scientists with a project. Now back then, EcoPloring was in fact actually a very small part of our overall project, but we soon realised that EcoPloring was actually getting a lot of attention. So we started handing out the leaflets we got, and we got a lot of people were interested. After we came back from the Beach Young Scientists, we kind of got together and talked about, well, really what happened up there and how we were getting so much attention. And we kind of came to the conclusion that really it was primary school teachers that were really taking an interest in our project, so in our website. So we decided that What if we went around to like several primary schools and talked to our classes for like half an hour each? And so that's what we did. And we were getting brilliant feedback. I mean, for example there, brilliant website, I fully intend to use it to teach my class. I mean, that's great feedback for us. Another way we raised awareness was from Keep Kilkenny Beautiful. We were approached by a man called Sean Lahey from Keep Kilkenny Beautiful, and he asked us if we would like to work in partnership with them, really to help out with their tidy towns. But really they want to help us, they want to promote our website because they thought that we had real potential. And that's another direct quote from their website. KKB would like to congratulate 3 CBS students who have designed an amazing website aimed at promoting wildlife to primary and secondary school students in a unique and informative way, and right underneath a direct link to our website. Joe got in touch with the former mayor of Kilkenny, Martin Brett, so we could get support off the council. He did in fact love our website and said, well, it has great potential, and that's great for us. And he really said, he loved our website and that this was brilliant news for us, and also he put links on his website. We decided that a great way to get noticed would be through the social networks. I mean, how much young people and as well adults use Facebook as a way of communication, and how much people look up YouTube for funny videos or whatever, and how much people are on Twitter. We feel that we can use technology to positively affect how people perceive wildlife and ecology. The marriage of technology and ecology will have a far more positive impact on our future than the sum of their parts.